Here we come to some more elevators here at the Fashion Center at Pentagon City. These are the elevators in the middle of the parking garage. And they're more KONE elevators. This one's a little slow. Which elevator are we gonna get? There's two elevators here. Oh, come on, these things are so slow. Which one did we get? We got the one on the left. Oh wow, this elevator's in a bit of a state. Go to P5. Oh, indicator's broken. Is this really an EcoDisc? Or am I just thinking otherwise? Because that is KSS 140. But this does not feel like an EcoDisc at all. Here we are at P5. Go back down to L1. Oh, come on. Door closed a bit strange on this. Here we are back at L1. We're gonna take another round trip up to P5 and back. Door closed, does not want to work. Here we go. At P5, go down to L1. Oh wow. Send us up to P5 and go get the other car. These do not feel like KONEs at all. It does not feel like an EcoDisc behavior. Oh, here's the other elevator. Go. 5. Indicator does not work on this one as well. Here we are at P5. That was quick leveling. Oh, come on. Door close doesn't even work. Never mind, it's actually just a little bit messed up. We are going down. Okay, here we are back at P1. We're gonna send this up to P3. Now let's go around the side because this was not behaving like EcoDisc. Let's see why. There's the elevator closing up. Oh, that's why. It's a hydraulic. I think this was a Montgomery originally before it got modernized by KONE. But that's it.